The Chicago Bears have hired former Packers defensive coordinator Mike Pettine as their new senior defensive assistant, according to sources. So I've brought in Zach to talk about the idea of Pettine switching sides and joining the Bears for our defensive staff. Zach, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So I want to start off by saying, Mike Pettine got a lot of hate for that call at the end of the first half against Tom Brady and the Bucs.
Brady goes for the deep shot. He's got a touchdown.
He ended up getting fired, and people just wanted him gone out of there immediately. And when I first saw this move, I was, I assessed him with that, and then I went back and kind of looked at the stats for the Packers defense and his time with Cleveland, and I thought maybe this isn't such a bad move after all.
I don't know the extent of what he's going to be when it comes to in our system, because I know Desi is going to be basically he's the go-to guy. He's a defensive coordinator.
Yeah, Desi's going to be calling the plays. Pettine is going to have nothing to do with the play calls.
That's good. And that's kind of what I was worried about was, is he going to be having some say in the calls, kind of be hey, I think we could do this, but it's sounding like he's not, which I'm all for this move. Then it brings in another veteran. I mean, he's been around the league.
Yeah.
He clearly knows what he's talking about. He was the head coach, defensive coordinator at two other spots, which, granted, defensive coordinator wasn't the greatest teams. He was the Jets and the head coach at the Browns, and then the defensive coordinator with the Packers, which, since 2018, and you think about that Packer defense, it improved mightily.
I would say that Packers defenses overperformed to the talent they have. Obviously they have a great defensive line, and they have Jair Alexander and, Adrian Amos, but the team, their linebackers aren't that great. And like you said, that defense, if you look at the improvement they've made since 2018, they've gotten a lot better.
We've grown up watching the Packers twice a year at least against the Bears, and that it's always been the defense that's their weakest point. This year and since 2018, really, that defense, you couldn't really be that's the reason why the Packers are losing games.
And the defense wasn't terrible when he was with Cleveland as well, considering the talent that he had. But yeah, guys, so Mike Pettine will be joining the Chicago Bears staff. Please make sure you guys do check out Zach. He does stream on Twitch. He will be linked down below. Let us know in the comments down below your thoughts. Please make sure you do drop a like. Make sure you guys do drop a subscription. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.